In this class, we will study 13.6 question number 5. It cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface. Very interesting. Inner curved surface. Curved means only boundary, not top, not bottom, only boundary. Inner curved surface of cylindrical vessel this meter deep, 10 meter deep. H. This is H. If the cost of the painting is at rupees 20 per meter square, find inner curved surface area of the vessel, radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. So question is very easy. Actually, suppose this is the vessel, cylindrical vessel, but I have to paint only inner side and radius of the base, inner, and the capacity of the vessel, inner and outer. Actually, the sheet metal used for the container is not so much thick, that is why inner and outer almost same. So inner curved surface area of the, okay, कॉस्ट गिवन है, टोटल कॉस्ट, रेट भी गिवन है. तो पहले तो कॉस्ट ऑफ द पेंट, कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू रेट इंटू एरिया, रेट इंटू एरिया. सो कॉस्ट इज गिवन ₹2200 इज इक्वल टू, रेट है 20 रुपीज़ पर मीटर का स्क्वायर इनटू एरिया वी डोंट नो. तो आप देखो ये रुपीज़ है, ये रुपीज़ पर मीटर का स्क्वायर, तो आपको एरिया जब आप इसको इस पर डिवाइड करोगे तो ये रुपीज़ है. आप यहाँ पर ही बिकॉज ऐसे डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई में है तो यहाँ पर ये डिवाइड होगा. यहाँ पर जो इसका यूनिट है ये रुपीज़ नीचे रहेगा, मीटर स्क्वायर ऊपर पहुँच जाएगा. इज इक्वल टू, ये हमारा बनेगा एरिया, बल्कि मीटर स्क्वायर में रुपीज़ से रुपीज़ कैंसिल, ये तो 110 मीटर का स्क्वायर वॉज एरिया. एरिया मीन्स क्या था? इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन. एरिया मीन्स इनर curved surface area. This is the first answer, 110. Second number, radius of the base. Curved surface, I have told you curved surface means only boundary. So boundary means this one, curved surface, this only boundary means this is the perimeter 2 pi r into h. So h, when you open it, you know, this one, this will appear like this, and this value will be 2 pi r, the circumference and h. Okay, so inner curved surface area. Second number point, inner curved surface area का फॉर्मूला 2 pi r into h is equal to inner curved surface area of cylinder. This one, 2 pi r, this is the formula. So r is given, radius, no, height is given. Height is given in your book. Height is 10 meter. So now place all the value, you will find the radius of the base. Inner curved surface 110, obviously meter ka square. This is 2 into pi, so pi 22 upon 7, 3.14, because 11 may divide, so that I have taken, into R into H. H is given 10 meter. 10 meter. So meter and meter ka square. So area, radius will be in meter. Now solve. R is equal to, R equals to 110 into 7 upon 22 and divided by 2 into 10. This 2 into 10, 22 upon 7. Okay, solve. This one, 11 2s are 22. So 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 meter R. So divide it. 4 1 ja 4, 0.3, 4 7 ja 28, 2 20, 4 5 ja 20. So this is the R. Second number answer. Now the third number, capacity of the vessel. Capacity. So inner chord surface area. If the surface area is called container, vessel, this is called vessel container also. So surface area will include the bottom, but the volume, area of the base into H. So the volume of the vessel, third number point, R we know. So volume of the vessel, equals to pi R square into H. Pi 22 upon 7. R square, R value 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4 meter. H value of H 10 meter. 7 upon 4 into 10, and this is meter. So meter cube. This one. Now solve. 7 2s are 14, 4 1, 7 2s are 14, 1 15. This one upon 16. This is meter cube. So 16 4 divide 4 3 ja 12, 3 34, 4 8 ja 32, 2 20, 4 5 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16. Then 4 divide. 4 9 ja 36, 2 25, 4 6 ja 24, 1.10, 4 2s are 8, 2 20, 4 5s are 20. This is meter cube. So 1 meter cube, I have told meter cube in liter. If you take 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter to the whole cube, then it will be 1 liter. This. Notice 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. It will be 1 liter. And the opposite is there. If you take 1 meter, means big one, 10 centimeter, then 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter cube, then you have 1000 liter. 10 centimeters, actually at this time you may have 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So it is very interesting to know 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, but 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. When it is 1 here, so this is 1000, when this is 1, that is the 1000. Sometimes it is called kiloliter also, kilo and liter. So meter cube means kiloliter, or 1000 liter, 9625 meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to, directly you can write 1 kiloliter, or multiply by the 1000. So you will get 96250 liter. So this was the vessel. This was the answer. Okay, thank you. Keep watching.